Hello. I want to share Oreck XL Commercial Upright Vacuum Cleaner, bagged professional pro grade, for carpet and hard floor. About item: ergonomic helping handle with switch-in handle. 35-foot commercial grade power cord. Weighs only 8 pounds. Can be used on carpets and hard floors with no adjustment needed. The Oreck XL Commercial Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a commercial grade vacuum that offers all the power and performance you expect from an Oreck. This versatile upright makes it easy to keep your business clean. It gets up close to cabinets and baseboards and fits easily under most furniture, clothes racks, chairs and desks. It can be used on all surfaces including carpet, wood, laminate and tile with no manual height adjustment. Weighing about 9 pounds, it's lightweight and covers a 12-inch wide area, which makes cleaning easy and quick. It has the exclusive micro sweep feature that allows you to switch from carpet to bare floors with no adjustments and a 630 cubic inch top fill bag. This ingenious bag design ensures no loss of suction and keeps power at maximum even while bag fills. A cord guard prevents cord damage. Get best price and discount. Click link in description. Like, share and subscribe for support my channel. See you.